Welcome back to Daily Bite, the channel that's all about empowering you with knowledge and strategies to enhance your life. Today, we have something special in store for all the beginners out there looking to dip their toes into the world of online earning without any initial investment. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 3 fantastic online platforms that offer opportunities for you to start making money right away. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone simply interested in diversifying your income streams, this video is tailored just for you. Let's kick things off with our first segment, Freelancing Fundamentals. Freelancing is a versatile and accessible way to earn money online. Regardless of your skills and expertise, there's a demand for your services. From content creation and graphic design to web development and digital marketing, freelancing platforms provide numerous opportunities for you to explore. In this segment, we'll guide you through the essential steps to establish your freelancing career. We'll show you how to create an attractive profile, build a portfolio, find your first clients, and deliver exceptional work. If you're a writer, we'll provide tips on crafting winning proposals. Graphic designers, you'll learn how to showcase your portfolio effectively. And for those in digital marketing, we've got strategies to help you stand out. Our second segment, Surveys and Market Research, focuses on the world of paid surveys and market research. Did you know that companies are willing to pay for your opinions and feedback? We'll introduce you to reputable survey platforms that offer a simple and accessible way to make money online. Learn how to identify legitimate survey websites and avoid scams. We'll also provide you with tips and tricks on how to maximize your earnings in the world of surveys and market research. Whether you have a few minutes a day or more to spare, we'll show you how to use your spare time effectively to boost your income. Additionally, we'll delve into online market research, where you can participate in focus groups and product testing to earn even more. Discover the importance of providing thoughtful feedback and how your opinions contribute to shaping products and services. In our third and final segment, Affiliate Marketing Made Easy, we demystify the world of affiliate marketing. This exciting avenue allows you to partner with established brands and earn commissions by promoting their products or services. We'll walk you through the process of selecting the right affiliate programs, creating compelling content, and optimizing your affiliate marketing strategy for success. Learn how to monetize your online presence, whether you have a blog, a social media following, or a website. We'll discuss the significance of building trust with your audience and how to strike a balance between providing valuable content and promoting affiliate products. With the right approach, affiliate marketing can become a powerful passive income stream that helps you build a financially secure future. In conclusion, the world of online earning without investment is ripe with opportunities for beginners. Whether you choose freelancing, surveys, market research, or affiliate marketing, remember that success comes with dedication, consistency, and continuous learning. At Daily Bite, we're here to support your journey every step of the way. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our valuable content. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be interested in starting their online earning journey. Thank you for joining us today on Daily Bite. Stay tuned for more informative content, and as always, keep learning, keep growing, and keep earning.